Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get credits in Pokémon TCG Live. Credits are a super important currency, letting you craft almost any card you need for your decks. The most straightforward way to earn them is by converting duplicate cards from your collection. Head over to your Collection tab and look for cards you have in excess, especially those beyond a playset of 4 copies. Once you've identified your duplicate cards, simply select them. The game allows you to convert any card you possess beyond 4 copies, which is a standard playset. This includes special versions like full art or alternate art cards, which often yield a higher credit value. After making your selections, confirm the conversion, and your new credits will be immediately added to your in-game balance. Building a strong portfolio is crucial for showcasing your Canva design skills. Include a variety of projects, from social media graphics to presentations, demonstrating your versatility. Consider specializing in a niche, such as real estate marketing or event invitations, to attract specific clients. Promote your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, reaching a global audience of millions. Now that you've accumulated a good amount of credits, it's time to spend them. Credits are your ticket to crafting almost any card you desire, allowing you to complete your favorite decks without relying solely on pack openings. Simply navigate to the deck builder or the in-game shop, search for the cards you need, and use your credits to acquire them instantly. It's a fantastic way to refine your strategies.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.